To fix the Lemon8 app not working properly, follow these steps. First, ensure you are using the latest version of the application. Open the App Store. Type Lemon8 into the search bar and check whether the app shows Open, indicating it's up to date, or Update, if an update is available. Install it to ensure the app runs smoothly. If the issue persists, go to your device's settings. Select General, and then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find the Lemon8 app. Select it, and choose the Offload App option. This will clear the app's cache and free up storage while keeping your data intact. After offloading, reinstall the app, as this can resolve bugs. If the problem continues, try deleting and reinstalling the app entirely. To delete it, press and hold the Lemon8 app icon on your home screen. Select Remove App, then Delete App, and confirm the deletion. Next, return to the App Store. Search for Lemon8 and reinstall it. These steps should resolve the issue and get the app functioning as expected.